to my channel. It's your girl Tamara and I am here with another video, guys. Yes, welcome to my new subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Yes, and this is baby Rome. You guys know Rome, right? Say hi. She is now 4 months. Yeah, big girl. She's getting super big. Say look, guys, I am a big girl now. Yeah. So guys, today I am doing a review on this company. They sent me a breast pump. Yes, I got a free breast pump. Yeah, so anyways, CARER breast pump. They sent me their breast pump. I have been using this breast pump for 2 months, guys. I make sure that I'm using it for a period of time to ensure that I'm giving you guys the best of the best and my review is as honest as possible. Okay, so I've been using this breast pump for 2 months. As I said, they sent it to me in the first part of December and now we're in February, so I get multiple use. So whatever I say, whatever I tell you guys, is my honest review of this breast pump. And when I tell you guys that I love this breast pump, guys, I am not joking. Extremely love this breast pump. This breast pump, I have a breast pump of my own that I bought before I had Rome, and ever since I got this breast pump I stopped using that breast pump because this is so easy to use, so convenient. Like, it's like I can be using this breast pump and be doing whatever I have to do around the house, do my chores, edit videos, playing with Rome, breastfeeding Rome while pumping, and I could have my hands are free. So here is the breast pump, guys. This is it. Yes, this is the CARER breast pump. This is it's chargeable. You can actually charge it and use it throughout your day, and actually the charging lasts a very long time, guys, because I think from the time I got this breast pump I only charged it once and I have been using it multiple times, so we don't have to recharge it. So the battery is really good, and it has different modes that you can go on. It has like you can turn it up, down, depending on how fast you want to depending on how fast you want to pump. So you can just adjust it to the comfort that you can manage, the comfort of you whatever comfort you can manage, volume you can manage to pump. Okay, so you can have it like on really hard speed, or you can have it like, you know, in the middle or really slow, just whatever comfortable for you, you can adjust it to that. So it's really adjustable. And yeah, so this is a must-have, guys. I really recommend this breast pump. If you don't have one of these as yet, I recommend you getting one. As I said, you can travel with this also. You can go on trips, you can go to the store, you can put your breast pump in and go to the supermarket, be driving, whatever, and just be pumping, and it's very efficient. It takes like in 15 minutes or maybe a little more, you will have a full thing of milk. Like, this will be filled up. I'm telling you guys, this is the bomb. This is a must-have. The breast pump that I had before, I have to be sitting right at that spot, plug into the wall, and I can't be doing anything else because I'll have to be holding it to pump to pump. Okay, and this you don't have to be doing it. You just put it in your clothes, right, Romy? Okay. All you have to do is so easy to use. Just put it inside your clothes, over your nipple, just like that, and then you turn it on and you're just pumping. And yes, it is in here. Look, see, it's right there. And you're just pumping. Do whatever you gotta do. Whatever you gotta do, you just gotta do it, and you'll be pumping milk. So you have this be saving you time, because I know a lot of the time we don't have, as new moms, we don't have enough time to just sit there doing nothing you just be doing, you have so much stuff to do. You have baby clothes to fold, you have clothes to play, the house to clean up, the dishes to do, the baby this, that. You just have this inside your clothes and you'll be doing whatever you have to be done. Inside the packaging, it comes with storage bags, it comes with the charger and an extra suction thingy with straps, the breast pump itself. Yep, really cute, and I chose the pink. Cute, huh? Yeah. It also comes with a little bag to put the stuff in, so you can travel with it wherever you want to go. You can travel with your pump and everything. It also came with breast padding, so yeah. And it also comes with 2 extra suction thingy. I'm not sure what the correct name for those. Yes guys, so you are well equipped. Okay, so I'm telling you guys, this is a must have. I love this breast pump. I just want to say thank you very much, CARER breast pump, for sending me this amazing product, which I extremely love and would not trade it for any other breast pump. I'm telling you guys, if you don't have this breast pump, you need to get it right now. But guess what? Your girl, yes, your girl, have a discount link for you guys. So they also sent me a discount link so you guys can get some money off. Yes, I got you guys. It's a little pricey, so when you get your percentage off, then you'll be pretty affordable. All right, so okay, so this little one not giving me the chance to finish up this video, but anyway guys, you can get this breast pump on Amazon or on their official website. I'll put the links down below with the discount code and everything, so you guys can go get some percentage off. Let me tell you guys, you're gonna get 10% off Amazon. If you order it on Amazon, you get 10% off using code 10 off CARER, or on their official website you can get 15% off using code Tamara. I'll put everything in the description below, so you guys go ahead and check it out down there and place your orders, and comment down below. If you guys do place an order, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the pump, and if you guys completely agree with everything that I said about the pump, which I know you guys will, because this is a must-have product for all the new moms, expecting moms, first time moms, long time moms. Every mom should have one of this breast pump, and as a matter of fact, you need to put this breast pump in your registry, so when your friends are buying your gifts for your baby shower or your gender reveal, or just a little token for the mom to be, they can go ahead and check out this breast pump, because you want to have this breast pump in your life, because I'm telling you guys, it is a life savior and it is a life changer for all moms. All right, so with that being said, right, you love your CARER breast pump, huh? You get a lot of milk, right? So yeah, I just want to say thank you so much, CARER breast pump, for sending me this amazing product. I extremely love it, and you guys will love it too. Also, there you can get they have different colors, so on your site you can choose whatever color you choose. I chose the pink, and yeah, so big up to CARER breast pump. Love them, love the pump. And I also think they also have other products on their original they also have other products on their official website. You guys can also check those out as well and shop. All right, so anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the breast pump, if you already have one or if you're planning on buying one, and when you do buy it, let me know what you guys think about it. See you guys in another video. Bye.